Hello friends, here we will study about phrases. So what are phrases? As you can see here in the clip, firstly phrases are group of words which have no subject and verb combination. It means yes, group of words are there but sometimes subject and verbs are missing in them. It means if subject and verbs are not in this phrase, so they will not provide any particular meaning if we will use them alone. Okay, but if we will use them in a sentence, then of course we will get some meaning from that phrase. Example is there, a beautiful home. This a beautiful home sentence is a phrase, so it doesn't provide any meaning to us. A beautiful home what? We are not getting any information from this. So if I will put I built in front of it, so now we will have a proper information that I built a beautiful home. So here it is clear that phrases are not making any sense if we will use them alone. Is it clear? So let's move on. How many kinds of phrases we are having? So yes, here in the picture you can see that phrases are also based on part of speech, and as per the part of speech we are having five kind of phrases: noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, prepositional phrase, and the last one is your adverb phrase. So these are the five kind of phrases we are having. So let's define them each one by one. Very first is your noun phrase. Noun phrase, as we all know, that it's act like a noun in the sentence. It means whatsoever sentence you are having, the work of a noun phrase is that it will provide noun information or modify the noun in the sentence in this noun phrase. Example, a woman in the window. So here in the window is your noun phrase. Is it clear? She bought a decent black shirt. About which shirt, which color shirt we are talking about? Black color shirt. So decent black is your noun phrase. So I hope it is clear to you. So noun phrase it was, noun should be there and it should modify that noun. That is called noun phrase. Is that clear? So the next phrase of ours is verb phrase. So here in the verb phrase, what do we mean by verb phrase? Group of main verb and helping verbs within a sentence. It means there will be a main verb in the sentence as well as a helping verb is also there in the sentence, and they will together act like a verb phrase. So here in the sentence you can see in the example, the first one, she had finished her work. So finished, has, both are here verbs. So this is here a verb phrase, has finished. Should study, they both are verb phrase. I hope it is clear to you. Verb, it means your work which you are doing. Finish is the work which you have done. Study is the work which you are doing. And when we will put a helping verb with that work, has, should, then it will act like a verb phrase. So next of ours is adjective phrase. Adjective phrase is what? One or more word work together. It means there should be more than one word and they will act together and give some information about an adjective. Adjective, we all know that the qualities of noun. So here one more word will act or will be joined with that adjective, and that word will now tell us the information about the adjective. Example, the first one, happy. Happy is your adjective. So very is here attached with happy. So we can understand, we can hear, it is clear that he is very happy. So here it is modifying that adjective. Way too high. The cost of the car is way too high. High is your adjective, but way too is modifying it. So here some more words are joining with that adjective and they are giving a proper information. He is how much happy? He is very happy. The prices of car is high. How much high? It is way too high. Is it clear? Adjective phrase. Here we add some more information to the adjective to make some sense ki what or which we are talking about, which type of happiness or which type of qualities we are talking about. So the next phrase of ours is adverb phrase. One or more words together give more information about adverb. Just like all the rest which we have done, noun phrase and your adjective phrase, it is also something where one or more word will attach with it with a noun phrase, and then it will give you a information. Example, they ran really fast. So fast is your adverb. We know it is adverb. Which one the adverb fast is? Your manner. Adverb of manner, fast. But when you will add really with fast, so here you will get the proper meaning, the modified, that how he ran really fast. Quicker is your adjective. Sorry, adverb. Quicker is your adverb. So when you will add much with that, so you will get a proper meaning here ki he drank the milkshake much quicker. So these additional words are here acting to modify the verb, acting to modify or providing proper information about adverb. Is it that clear? I think it is clear to you. Even though if something is left or any of your adverb is not clear to you, you can better ask me in your homework group. Is it clear, students? Now the last one, I'm explaining you here the prepositional phrase. So what do we mean by prepositions? One or more word together give information about prepositions, just like the rest which we have done now. There is also one or more word should be there, and that will give us about the knowledge, the information of preposition. As he is sleeping on the carpet. On is your preposition, but the carpet is here telling us about where he is sleeping. He is giving the information about preposition. He is sleeping on the carpet. He always speaks in loud voice. In is your preposition, but loud voice is telling us how he always used to speak. The speak of him is always in a loud voice. So these are the phrases which individually don't have any meaning, but yes, if we use them in a sentence, they will provide you a proper meaning. So there are 5 kind of phrases we have done. I hope this much is clear to you. Thank you, students.